Hi. I just shattered my phone while studying for a big AP test that's really freaking me out, so let's make a cake. This is the only cake mix we have, and I honestly don't really know what it is, but it says there's pudding in the mix, which kind of concerns me. Ooh. Box cake mix, the epitome of class. Our scissors in our house are not very sharp, so every time I have to open something, it's a real struggle. Yay! The whisk I will be using is this one because it makes me feel cool. So first I'm just gonna whisk it to get the chunkies out. The chunkies make the cake sad, and I don't want my cake to be sad, so we're gonna mix out the chunkies. Mixing out the chunkies. On cooking channels, I saw that they make the dry, and then they make the wet, and then they put them together, and it makes cake. Now I know I'm making it from a Betty Crocker mix, but why not try to be as bougie as possible, okay? We're inside, let's be bougie. So in my opinion, Big Brother walked so that quarantine could run. Basically, I've convinced myself that I am in Big Brother. That is the reason I cannot leave my house. What virus? No, I'm on a game show, and I have to be America's favorite. So in Big Brother, the viewers watch it and they decide who America's favorite is, and I need to be America's favorite, so I need to have a great time. So the best thing to do when you're cooking with eggs is just aggressively stab the yolks. Your egg water in. I've become obsessed with watching skate tricks. I watched the longboard Peter Pan trick. I want to learn how to do it, but I also am terrified of skateboarding. It's actually kind of bad how scared I am of it, but it's scary, and no one can lie to me that they're not scared. How are you not thinking about concussions the whole time you're on the board? Like, the whole time I'm on there, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna break my arm. I'm gonna get concussed. I'm gonna die. This is gonna happen. That's gonna happen. Like, I just think of the consequences during the action a little bit too much. So maybe that's my own thinking, but maybe it's the skateboard. I like taste the pudding. Wow, it literally smells so good. I made 2 because I want to do the really cool thing where you like put frosting on and then layer on top. I'm a little concerned because I thought I had more frosting, because I saw this and I thought it's really heavy, and I thought I had all of this. This is coconut pecan. It's not a vibe. So I have chocolate fudge. A little concerned. I'm really good at making cream cheese frosting. That might have to happen. But for now, let's do this. Like her flat side down. Stay, stay. No! Yay!
Then I ran out of frosting, so I had to make my own, and I decided I would make chocolate frosting. Roll the clip.
Oh. Oh my god. I'm really quite the mess.
Yes, yes you are.
It's like actual frosting. I'm gonna take the top cake off so that I can redo the frosting, and this might be the biggest mistake ever. But you know what? Some mistakes get made. That's alright. That's okay. Ooh, wow. Oh no. Boom. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna take a big thing of frosting. Honestly, this whole cake is just being held together by I don't even know what. So I'm just gonna gently frost this. Just gentle frost. And just hope nothing comes apart, because that would be, oh, are you kidding me? I literally jinxed it. That's okay. Wow. Oh, wow. That's a pretty solid crumb coat. Wow. It's so heavy. Okay, here is the final cake. It looks kind of crazy. It's huge. It's very heavy. But I did it. I made a cake. So let's do a little taste test. Oh. All right, so my camera died. So I'm now on my phone. But like I was saying, presentation, give it a 4. It's not looking too hot, but I think she might impress me with taste. So let's try it. Bon appetit. But that's actually good. What the heck? It definitely tastes like what a box cake mix tastes like, but it tastes good. Okay, I give flavor 8 out of 10. Flavor 8 out of 10. Presentation 4 out of 10. What does that make? 6 out of 10. Could be better, could be worse, but it does its job. Does the cake have to look pretty? Only if you're giving it to someone, and this was just given to myself. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I see you. Goodbye.